There are homes, and then there are destinations, places that inspire, places that elevate, places that become part of your legacy. I'm Verna DeBono with Hammond International Properties. Welcome to the Fairway Collection. Nestled within the prestigious Bayview Golf Country Club community, this extraordinary estate occupies one of the most coveted positions in the neighborhood, overlooking breathtaking panoramic vistas of rolling fairways and pristine greens. Thoughtfully designed for both grand entertaining and intimate family moments, the Fairway Collection offers a seamless blend of timeless architecture, refined craftsmanship, and sophisticated living. Outside, nature becomes an extension of the home. Perfectly situated just moments from exceptional schools, fine dining, luxury shopping, and major commuter routes, this is a residence that offers both convenience and exclusivity. If you'd like to know more about this fabulous golf course home, feel free to contact me, Verna DeBono, with Hammond International Properties.